क्या बोलो? ये मेरा क्या करने का है? समारोह का मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, वो बताएंगे।
Long line. Doesn't remember you. Just came across one of the interviews. So
ये इनको बोलना है भाई। सुबीराम रेड्डी आ रहे हैं, वो बोलेंगे। सामने होल्ड ये माइक इनका।
नहीं बोल रही है
hi, how are you? Good evening to you.
You have been part of the jury. हमें बताइए कि मिस्टर शाहरुख खान को चुना for this award. How you all came into the consensus of deciding on Mr. Shahrukh Khan?
Like this. एक पल में सबने बोला हाँ हाँ, मैंने सजेस्ट किया था और सबने बोला हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है।
What makes it different of all the three?
अरे, how can I tell you in 3 words? He's fabulous. He's just fabulous. I can't tell you in a few words.
उनकी कोई फेवरेट फिल्म अब जो आपको पसंद है, उनकी जो फिल्म सबसे पसंद हो आपको?
मुझे चकते बहुत पसंद है, चकते इंडिया।
And his song.
Oh, so many songs. I'm crazy about him. I'm a big fan.
Any memory with him like
Any plans to bring
I'm sorry?
Are there any plans to bring your show on?
Yes, there are. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Come and stand with me.
Come.
Good evening to all of you and many congratulations.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel to be fourth awarded Mr. Yash Chopra Memorial Award?
Extremely undeserving, but it's. I'm just happy that somebody somewhere, Reddy Saab, Rekha ji, Prema Aunty and the whole team, the Ranjans, they think I'm good enough to be a part of this amazingly august team of people who won before me.
Ma'am will be presenting the award to you. Is it how does it feel to be?
Ma'am always presents me the award. So it's a thing between us. Whenever I get the best award in my life, I take it from her.
Would you like to say something?
Shahrukh, how special is it considering you had such an amazing association with Yash ji?
I think the reason for this is the genuinely a very gracious, wonderful and fantastic feel that the whole family has given me over the years. So that must be the only reason. It can't be my talent. So it feels very special to be here for Yash Chopra ji's National Memorial Award, and I thank all of them, Subir Reddy, Rajan Saab and everybody who was involved in this.
Shahrukh, you've worked with him in a number of movies, and you both have come up, given us a lot of romantic, memorable movies. What is the one thing that you admire in him?
I think he was just very basic and very simple. I think he never allowed the craft to take over his art, and he made films from the heart, and he treated, he's a very simple man. And even now when I'm working with other directors, we speak about an hour about the film that I'm doing with them, an hour about, you want me to take that? Yeah, I can, it's your boyfriend. No, I'm getting very angry. So but I talk about Yash ji more with my directors than the film that I'm doing with them. So it just is, it's been an amazing relationship, to be honest. Yeah.
Shahrukh, is there something you feel today's directors can learn from? I mean, of course, there's a lot of things, but something which you think is missing in today's directors which Yash ji had when you work with contemporary films?
Wrong for me to say that, whoever is making films, I think they all make it with a good heart. And if they want to learn something from someone, they should go ahead and learn it. But I can't be the one suggesting that, to be honest.
Shahrukh, the CPFC has recently, raised objection for a movie, Lipstick Under My Boat.
And you can ask me about the politics in UP also after this, right?
No,
I'm surely going to comment on this, yeah.
But
I have no idea. I'm on holiday for the last 2
we've
days.
heard that you've turned down the script of Mr. Bhansali, which was supposed to star you and Kamya.
You should tell me who told you that.
We just read it online.
Then don't believe what you read online.
Okay, when do we see you next teaming up with Yash Raj?
I have no idea. There's no discussion on a film right now. Actually, it's very personal for me. I don't think I'll be able to express it, how emotional this is. It's a very personal moment for me to, have worked with him for 20 years, right from the time I came here, and then to lose him as we walked along the path of making films, and to be part of his last shot of his last film. It's very emotional for me. I don't think Yash ji can be compared with anyone to say that set him apart or not. I'm too young, I'm too small to comment on what set him apart. I think he was just unique in his own way, and like I said, wonderfully honest, earnest, straightforward, and very basic, very simple. I think the simplicity makes him extremely special.
But any movie which is very close to your heart of his, any movie of his which is very close
All of
to your
them,
heart? Any one if you can pick up. I'm sure it would be difficult, but
There's so many. I'm making one now, Ittifaq. I like that film of his. Waqt, very beautiful. And amongst my own, I think Jab Tak Hai Jaan, because that was the last film we did together. Yeah.
but any Shahrukh, which you would like
जिस तरह यशराज जी पिक्चरें बनाते थे कॉमेडी ड्रामा, उनकी ही मूवी को उनके ही नक्शे कदम पे आजकल करण जोहर चल रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं लगता? मतलब उनकी मूवी की कमियां पूरी कर रहे हैं, जैसे करण जी पिक्चरें बनाते हैं आजकल उनकी तरह, मतलब ऐसा लगता है आपको?
नहीं, I don't think यश चोपड़ा जी की तरह कोई भी फिल्म बनाई।
आपकी और सूरज की
बिग बी का फ्लाइट की तो काफ़ी अच्छी बॉन्डिंग रही। तो क्या आप और सोनम फ्यूचर में काम करोगे साथ में?
तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
मे बी
अब मैं जिस हीरोइन के साथ फ्लाइट में जाऊंगा उसके साथ काम कर लूंगा मैं।
इत्तेफाक में भी काम कर सकती है।
इत्तेफाक में सोनाक्षी सिन्हा है और सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा हैं और अक्षय खन्ना है। बट आप कहोगे तो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लेन में मिलूंगा तो 100% कर लूँगा।
Did you wish to star in it? I mean, did that occur to you any time that you would like?
I wanted to do the film. I wanted to do the film when I heard the script, but dates, other films, no, I can't. But the team right now who's doing it is very good also.
Thank you, thank you.
थोड़ा भी सब वेट कर रहा है।
Twenty 25 minutes. So kindly settle down on your seats, and I would request Anu Ranjan to come and say a word of thanks to everybody. Anu, please.
Good evening. We welcome you to the 4th Yash Chopra National Memorial Awards, brought to you by Dr. T. Subirama Reddy Foundation. We have been having these awards since 4 years. The first year, Lata ji was a recipient. Second year was Mr. Bachchan. Third year was Rekha ji, and this year Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. So guys, please give a huge round of applause to Mr. Khan. I would now just like to start the evening with an audio visual. We will ji, and in his memory, he decided that he has to keep his memory alive no matter what, and he instituted the Yash Chopra Memorial Awards. It's given to the greatest stars in the country because Yash Chopra, definitely you all know, was one of the greatest film person, producer, director that will start the evening and introduce the awards. Thank you so much.
His Excellency, the Governor of His Excellency, the Governor of Andhra Pradesh, sorry, Maharashtra. अभी दिल में आंध्र प्रदेश बैठ गया, कहीं गए तो भी आंध्र प्रदेश नाम आता है. He is already Governor of Maharashtra and in charge of Tamil Nadu, so by chance I said Andhra Pradesh also. Our distinguished friend, former Union Minister, Member of Parliament, and a great exemplary film star, my great friend, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. Normally we call evergreen hero, evergreen heroine. But evergreen beautiful, the secret she doesn't tell to other ladies how to preserve the beauty, that is Rekha. वो कमाल है कि समझ में नहीं आता है. What is the secret of her personality? The way she presents her personality. In one side, she acts and she had a style. And for last so many years we are seeing not even 1 inch difference in the face and figure and style. So all ladies must learn from her. You know, we will feel proud. She's a great artist. And she's here. And last year she got this award. And Pam Chopra, our great family friend, the wife of great Yashji, and also she herself is an artistic personality who used to always participate. Well, Yashji used to concentrate in making stories for a film. She used to play a very important role in actually guiding him, and herself has got a beautiful voice. Perhaps if she has developed singing, she would have been threat to Lataji and Asha Bhonsle also actually. And we have a jury members, the Simi, and Padmini Kolhapur has not come, and Mr. Bonnie Kapoor, and we all met. and we had a jury discussion. I must say, Yashi is a great filmmaker. Perhaps in Indian history, 50 years continuously is impossible. I'm very fond of art, love, the films. Incidentally, I made a number of films in Telugu, Sanskrit, English and Hindi. But a filmmaker continues for 50 years. He created sensational by making super hits. It's phenomenal. He has been my great friend. There is a small age difference between me and him, but we have been very closely associated. Not a single day, even if I'm in MP, Parliament busy as a member of Parliament, he used to send me a message, he wants to speak to me. Nothing much, just he wants to hello to me. And we both made two great films, Chandni and Lemhe. So it's a great film. Even today, any generation we ask, you remember Chandni Lemhe? Oh, wonderful film. So we both made, it was like that, we became very close. When he untimely, he passed away, though we all felt, I felt that in human life, people forget very quickly anything. But if you want to perpetuate the memory of any great personalities, this is the way you must institute a memorial award in honor. So I got this award, honor, idea, how I must perpetuate my friend's memory. Then I thought, yes, I must institute from a foundation, Yash Chopra National Memorial Award. Then when I told to Pam, Pam is our family member, she's like our own sister, we're so close. She said, yes, very nice of you, Subira, if you think of it. Of course, as a friend, if you institute, it will be a great event for us. She also felt very happy. Then I said, the award should be very prestigious. I said, we'll give every year 10 lakhs rupees cash award. And in the South, always Swarna Kankan bolta hai. Actually, you may not be straight away understand. This is called Swarna Kankan, actually. So, this Swarna Kankan award and citation will be given every year to a versatile artist for their contribution to the film industry and art and culture. So, at that time, the first year, we are given to Lata Mangeshkar. The second year, we are given to Amitabh Bachchan. The third year, another flower is here. Then, another beautiful person in the stage, I want to tell again exclusively separately, that is Jayaprada. See, how is it? She is a South girl, but how beautiful Kashmiri color. And she has the distinction of contesting Lok Sabha elections 2 times and became member of parliament in Uttar Pradesh. It's very amazing. A film star going in North India, a South girl, and contesting, and 10 years in this Lok Sabha and 6 years she was in Rajya Sabha, and still she's very nice. And also my great friend, Mr. V.N. Dutt, the chairman of Videocon Films, he is very fond of art and culture like me. So like this. Then besides that, I am very happy and fortunate to have good friends, Anuranjan, Shashiranjan. So with their association, I have been organizing these functions. Then this time, when we, in the jury meeting, myself and Pam and Bani Kapoor and Padrin Kolhapur, all of us, we thought that day Simi is supposed to come, she got stuck, she couldn't come. Who is the best choice? Unanimously, who else? Shah Rukh Khan. Newspapers write Badshah, king, emperor, but is emperor in the hearts of the people as a great personality, good human being. That's very rare. I am telling you, in life, whatever you may achieve, how you will present your personality with a human touch, very important. He's down to earth. He acted in mostly beautiful romantic films, action films, various films. His film Ashoka, which went to even Venice Film Festival. It went to various international festivals. And Devadas, as an alcoholic hero, the way he acted. Those days we used to remember Dilip Ji, now he acted. And so many, as she is so close, so many films, actually how I am close to him, Shahrukh, as she, we used to always, three of us, used to spend a lot of time. And Shahrukh Khan, 25 years back started career. Today, his achievements are something spectacular, unparalleled, phenomenal, magnificent. And with his action, his performance, you can electrify you, you can inspire you, you can magnify you, you can stimulate you. That is Shahrukh Khan acting. But I've been very fond of, see, I'm a very close to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is close to art. So that's why I'm very fond of art and culture and artist. So Shahrukh Khan has got a God's power. The smiles all must fall down, that's all, his face. And know whom he likes, who likes him. Most beautiful, pretty ladies in the country and the world also they like him. And men, young generation, all generations, that's very difficult. So he is the man who conquered the hearts of every generation, every caste and creed. Everybody is only Shahrukh. All this achievement, two things he has done, greatest achievement. That is, down to earth, 1 inch. See, normally when you become big, God tests you, how you react, how you respond in your life. He doesn't. Simple man, smiles, nice. That's the greatest quality we ever see. Then, second most important is, acted with so many beautiful heroines, so many romance, so many songs, but they're all heroines on screen. Real heroine is wife only, nobody else. It's not a joke. Others don't get opportunity. When you get opportunity to have romance, till you have the willpower and be away and only confined to families is something great thing I must say in life. So, that is his great quality. And Yash Chopra, people feel proud the way he made films. He has shown to the worldwide how we make the films in Switzerland, the beauty, the scenic beauties, he has shown it so very well. So, yeah, he has so closely, last film, they both actually, he made the film and Shahrukh acted almost number of days in Kashmir and other places. And that is the last film when Yashji left us. So he is so close to the Yashji's films and even Yash Raj films today also, so many hits he has given. And today, where I'm very happy, our governor is a great personality, is another great human being. These days, every day, we see his tough challenges in Tamil Nadu politics, how he is actually facing also, as in charge. He's such a busy personality, but he loves art and culture, he encourages. He's a great heart man, great personality. I'm very happy that on our request, he always encourages the art and culture, and he has come really, very nice. And also, my tiger, who is tiger? Shatrughan Sinha. Shatrughan Sinha, the way he acts like a tiger only. And even in parliament, the style he walks, you can see how he style. That is Shatrughan Sinha. My great friend. So I am extremely happy, all are here. Yesterday only, I was in Visakhapatnam, Shivaratri, Mahashivaratri. There are so many festivals. Why you only call Mahashivaratri? Shiva, Maha. So I spent almost our hours, and today I came back for this function. I'm full of energy with the divine blessings. So I want you also to get the blessings of Lord Shiva. Jata Ghata Asambhrama Brahmani Limpa Nidchari Vilola Vichi Vallari Virajamana Mudhani Bhagat Bhagat Bhaga Jalata Patta Pavake Kishoro Chandra Sekhari Yaksha Swarupa Jatadharaya Pinaka Hastaya Sudivya Dehaya Digambaraya Tasmai Yakaraya Hey Bhutadipatiye Hey Chanda Siddharapatiye Hey Rudra Ajnapatiye Jala Jala Prajvala Prajvala Spura Spura Praspura Praspura Ghora Ghora Taratana Rupa Chata Chata Pachita Pachita Kahaga Banda Banda Ghataya Ghataya Prafulla Neela Pankaja Prachanda Kali Machata Vidambikanta Kandara Ruchiprabanda Kandaram Smarachidam, Parachidam, Bhavachidam, Mukhachidam, Gajachidam, Takachidam, Smarantakam, Purantakam, Bhavantakam, Makantakam, Gajantakam, Tam, Takantakam, Bhajay. All of you must have good life, prosperity, good health. Lord Shiva bless you. And Shah Rukh Khan, 25 years, 50 years in this thing. And also I am going to tell this one happy thing on this occasion. TV9, the most bright channel, one of the bright channels in the country, they're having language 5, so many languages. Ravi Prakash CEO is also here. Telugu, Kannada, Gujarat, all languages. They're having channels. English channel also is there, news channel. So TSR TV9, first time in Indian history, in the open grounds, where about 1 lakh crowd will be assembled in Visakhapatnam, April 8th. I am having National Film Awards function. First time, because people do it only in 2000, 2000. 1 lakh presence, we must honor our stars. So that day, the star of millennium is Shah Rukh Khan. I am going to honor that day on April 8th. So that will be telecast all over the world. So I pray God, Shah Rukh Khan must have the same zeal, enthusiasm, lifelong. Now you must live for 100 years and make the people of India feel proud that he is today 3.3 billions of people all over the world know and like Shah Rukh Khan. That is Shah Rukh Khan. Thank you.
Can we play the AV first, please, sir? AV.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Can we
yes.
have the AVs played first? Thank you.
What can I say about Shah Rukh Khan that hasn't been said? Shah Rukh is not only a great actor, and I'm a real, very big fan of his. I would walk a mile to go and watch a film of his. But besides that, he's a great human being. And once he becomes your friend, he's your friend forever. And that's his greatest quality.
Now I request Mr. Shatrughan Sinha to speak. You don't want to speak? Governor. Don't worry, you want to speak after Governor, no? You don't want to speak? You don't want to speak?
Not now.
When you speak after Governor, no?
नहीं before बाकी लोग से बुझाओ ना
You leave it. Now, okay, I request Jayaprada to speak.
His Excellency, Governor of Maharashtra, Honorable Shri Vidyasagar ji, respected Shatruji, Kalabandhu, Telugu Bidda, Honorable Member of Parliament, Subramanian Reddy ji, हमारे रेखा जी, श्रीमती सिमी अग्रवाल जी, दूत साहब, शशि जी, अनु जी, पद्मिनी जी, above all, our hero, King's Khan, Sri शाहरुख खान जी, श्रीमती पेमेला जी, respected guests, good evening everybody. आज बहुत खुशी की बात है कि हम सब ऐसी हस्ती, ऐसी पर्सनालिटी के अवार्ड के सिलसिले में हम सब मौजूद हैं। वो कोई और नहीं, द लेजेंड यश चोपड़ा जी। उनके ख्यालों में, उनके बातों में कई साल से, लगभग 4 साल से ये सिलसिला देखते हुए आ रही हूँ। मैं अभिनंदन करना चाहती हूँ, धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ सुब्बुराम रेड्डी जी को। उन्होंने अपना फ्रेंडशिप को, स्नेह को हमेशा बरकरार रखना चाहते हैं। इसी के वजह से उन्होंने ये एसजी के यादों के लिए, उनके एहसास के लिए हमारे दिल में एक ताज़ा एहसास हमेशा रहना है, यही उनका ख्वाहिश है। इसी के वजह से ये अवार्ड्स का ये सिलसिला जारी किया है और लगातार जो ऐसे हकदार बनता है उन्हीं को अवार्ड जूरी चुनकर इन सब को, कलाकारों को सम्मान करना, इस अवार्ड को देना एक सिलसिला है। मैं एसजी के साथ काम नहीं कर पाई, लेकिन जब भी एसजी से मुलाकात होती है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। हमेशा मैं फील करती थी कि मैं एसजी के साथ, क्योंकि लगभग सारी फिल्मों में मैंने हर डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करने का मुझे मौका दिया, सिर्फ एसजी के साथ पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ है। आज एसजी हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक पहचान दिया है, नेशनली, इंटरनेशनली। एसजी आप लौट कर आ, तू लौट कर आ, तेरा आना ज़रूरी है, तू लौट कर आ, तेरा आना ज़रूरी है, तेरे बगैर ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री अधूरी है। हम सब उसी फिल्म्स को देखने के लिए हमारा आदत है। एसजी का एक अनोखा एक फील है, जो प्यार के लिए, जो रिश्ते के लिए उन्होंने जो जिस तरह का जो सब्जेक्ट्स चुना जाता था वो बहुत अहम होता था। और आज मैं एहसास कर रही हूँ, मैं ये गर्व एहसास कर रही हूँ कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री से ऐसे जो कलाकारों को लेकर आए हैं उनमें से हमारे शाहरुख खान साहब भी हैं। और आज इतने बड़े स्टार होने के बावजूद आज आपने स्टेज में देखा होगा कि एक कुर्सी कमी हुई है तो उन्होंने उठकर वो कुर्सी लेकर दिया है। दैट इज़ द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ शाहरुख खान। शाहरुख खान जी के साथ हमारा एक छोटा सा एक याद है कि जब मैं तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आई थी तो उसके बाद फिल्म इंडस्ट्री हिंदी में करती थी फिल्म्स, तो एक दिन शाहरुख खान जी हमारे घर पर आए थे। तो हम लोग नायिका फिल्म करने वाले थे, लेकिन पता नहीं है, लेकिन ये बात इसलिए मैं कह रही हूँ, इतना बड़ा हीरो होने के बावजूद भी वो घर आके हमारे साथ बैठ के एक फिल्म करने का उन्होंने जो बात की, तो वो मेरे लिए दिल पे हमेशा रहा है। आज मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये बड़ा है। और मैं धन्यवाद ये भी कहना चाहती हूँ सुब्बुराम रेड्डी जी के लिए। सुब्बुराम रेड्डी अगर यहाँ हमारे साथ नहीं होते तो आज फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक फ्रेंडशिप के द्वारा एक पॉलिटिक्स हर एक करते हैं, बिजनेस हर एक करते हैं, लेकिन हमारा अपना पैसा लगा के जो कलाकारों के लिए सम्मान करना, ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। उसके लिए मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करती हूँ, गिव हिम ए बिग हैंड। मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ प्रमिला जी को भी। आज एसजी के याद में आप सब इंडस्ट्री में अभी भी एसजी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि हमारे बीच में नहीं है, हमारे बीच में ना होते हुए भी एसजी हमारे साथ हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
Now, Rekha ji, speak.
Sir, first Simi ji would like to talk. Make Simi ji talk.
I'm the messenger.
Good evening, Your Excellency, Subiji, my esteemed colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen. There have been a lot of superlatives this evening. Not enough, if you ask me, but I can't match them. But I am reminded of a small story, which I'm going to share with you. You may have heard of it, but it bears repeating. There was a CEO of a multinational who was taking job interviews for various categories. So the recruits came in one by one. The first one introduced himself and he said, my name is Johann von Graf, I am German, and I am a master at cyber security systems. So I was impressed, he went away. The next man came in and he said, my name is François Dupont. I am from France, and I am a master architect. So that was good. Then after that came lots of different people. There was a pilot, an astronaut, lawyers, doctors, whatever. Finally, the last man came in and introduced himself, and he said, I'm Shah Rukh Khan, and I'm an Indian. The CEO says, well, what's your specialty? He says, I can be whatever you want me to be. I'm an actor. And that is Shah Rukh Khan. He's an actor. So if you're looking for a hockey coach, he's your man. If you want a life coach, he can do that too. A romantic lover? Absolutely. A murderer? Yes. An emperor? Even a ghost. He can do it all with aplomb. But I must tell you something. I feel, truly, I really, really feel Shah Rukh Khan, the person, is far more fascinating than all the 80 characters he's portrayed on screen. So Shah Rukh, thank you for the wit and the entertainment, for never ever disappointing, for never growing up, for the magic, the thrills, the 35 years of entertainment you've given us. By accepting this Yash Chopra Memorial Award, you are allowing us to tell you in such a public way how much we honor and admire and indeed love you. Thank you.
I request His Excellency to speak.
सबसे पहले मैं our friend, philosopher, at times misguide, but most of the times guide, Mr. Subiram Reddy. He's a great hero. You know, he's a great philanthropist. But सबसे important, he's a great friend. and he has been always there with us, all of us. और ख़ासकर कोई ज़रूरत पड़ती है क्राइसिस में तो चंद नाम जो सबसे पहले सामने आता है उसमें सबसे अव्वल नाम आता है सुबीराम रेड्डी का, एटलीस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर्ट एंड कल्चर। और ऐसे सुबीराम रेड्डी ने जो ना सिर्फ यश चोपड़ा जी के साथ, लेट एंड ग्रेट यश चोपड़ा जी के साथ, बल्कि उनकी स्मृति को और उनकी याद को इस तरह मजबूती के साथ हमेशा तरोताज़ा किया है, उस अवार्ड के ज़रिए हमारी आदरणीय श्रीमती पैम चोपड़ा जी को जिस तरह आमंत्रित करके उनके नेतृत्व में इस तरह इस कार्यक्रम को पेश करके जो किया है वो बहुत सराहनीय है, प्रशंसनीय है, बहुत ही अनुकरणीय है। पीपल शुड लर्न। सुबीराम रेड्डी इज़ अ रोल मॉडल इन ट्रू सेंस। बहरहाल सबसे पहले मैं आर फ्रेंड एंड ऑफ कोर्स His Excellency, the Governor, the great Governor of Maharashtra and also at the same time Tamil Nadu, श्री हमारे जो गवर्नर साहब हैं उनको, मंच पे जो उपस्थित हैं हमारे आदरणीय पैम चोपड़ा जी, सिमी गरेवाल जी, हमारी कलीग, हमारी फ्रेंड, हमारी चहेती लाडली रेखा जी, हमारे जयप्रदा जी और बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड सुबीराम रेड्डी के श्रेणी में आते हैं वो हैं श्री वीएन दूत, हमारे बहुत बढ़िया सहयोगी और अब तो इंटरटेनमेंट के कल्चरल एम्बेसडर हो चुके हैं हमारे दोस्त शशि रंजन और उनकी पत्नी श्रीमती अनुरंजन। और यहाँ पे जितने लोग हमारी पद्मिनी कोल्हापुरे जो आई हैं, जो कल जैसी थी आज भी वैसे ही हैं और कल भी वैसे ही रहेंगे, इस बात का दावा है। बहुत ही सुंदर हमारी। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण यहाँ पे महत्वपूर्ण विषय पे आने से पहले, उन पे आने से पहले गवर्नर साहब की परमिशन से मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि बहुत पहले एक मैंने बहुत बड़े स्टार का हमने देखा था इंटरव्यू, और वो कह रही थी, उनसे पूछा गया कि स्टार बनने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ क्या है, वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, एंड शी सेड इन वन वर्ड, पैशन। उसी तरह से एक बार मैं हमारे दोस्त एंड लेजेंडरी स्टार एंड स्टार ऑफ द मिलेनियम इन ट्रू सेंस अमिताभ बच्चन को मैं सुन रहा था किसी टेलीविज़न इंटरव्यू पे, और उनसे पूछा गया था कि व्हाट वुड यू एट्रीब्यूट योर सक्सेस टू, आपकी सफलता का राज क्या है, आप किसे इसका श्रेय देंगे। और अमिताभ बच्चन ने कहा, एक शब्द में मैं कहूँगा, और उन्होंने कहा लक, यानी एक्स फैक्टर, लक, पैशन। पैशन और लक का साथ मैंने देखा है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, तो बहुत कम लोगों में देखा है और एकदम उन पे समा जाता है। जैसे एक तो अमिताभ बच्चन खुद हैं और साथ ही साथ है यश चोपड़ा जी, जाहिर है आपने भी खुद देखा ये भी, उनके बारे में तो कहा जा सकता है कि हज़ारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावर पैदा, वंस इन ए ब्लू मून, शायद कभी कभी ऐसी शख्सियत पैदा होती है। और हमारे बीच जो यश चोपड़ा जी रहे, पैशन और लक के साथ साथ, टैलेंट के साथ साथ, जो आज नहीं हैं लेकिन फिर भी वो हमारे बीच में हैं, मार्गदर्शक बनकर, रोल मॉडल बनकर। और उसी तरह से हमारे अपने एनर्जी किंग, राइट फ्रॉम जीरो टू हीरो की कहानी को साकार करता हुआ, जिस तरह से शाहरुख खान ने, जिसे मैंने एनर्जी किंग कहा, शाहरुख खान ने जिस तरह से टैलेंट, कमिटमेंट, डिटर्मिनेशन, डेडिकेशन के साथ साथ पैशन को जिस तरह समाकर उभारा है अपने आप को, वो अद्भुत है, वो कमाल है, बेमिसाल है। ये है शाहरुख खान। और इनको आज सुबीराम रेड्डी जी और हमारे यश चोपड़ा की स्मृति में आदरणीय पैम चोपड़ा जी और अब तमाम लोग मिलकर और गवर्नर साहब हमारे यहाँ पे खुद आए फेसिलिटेट करने के लिए और हमें भी शामिल किया गया है आप लोगों के साथ साथ। ये मेरे लिए समझता हूँ सौभाग्य का विषय है। गज़ब हैं, धन्य हैं आप लोग, और धन्य है हमारा अपना शाहरुख खान, जिसके बारे में भी हमारे दोस्त और गवर्नर साहब ने इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें की हैं। प्रोटोकॉल का तकाजा है कि मैं गवर्नर साहब को हमारा ज़्यादा नहीं कह सकता हूँ, और गवर्नर साहब के सामने कुछ और वो भी नहीं कह सकता हूँ जिस वक्त कहना चाहिए था। कुछ लोग सुनना चाह रहे थे कि आप इस वक्त शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा, चुनाव चल रहा है, देश में इतनी खलबली मची हुई है, और आप इस वक्त यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं। मैं इसके लिए इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा, जानता हूँ कि कोई पॉलिटिकल मंच नहीं है, प्रोटोकॉल का तकाजा है, और हमारे गवर्नर साहब हैं, इसलिए ऐसी कोई बात नहीं कहूँगा कि उनकी शान और मान मर्यादा में कहीं कोई खटास हो, कहीं कोई दाग हो लगे। लेकिन इतना ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि ये इलेक्शन के दरमियान कुछ लोगों की नज़रों में शायद मैं इनवाइटेड नहीं हूँ, और कुछ लोगों की नज़रों में शायद मैं इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ। बहरहाल मैं अपने बारे में ही कह सकता हूँ, इस घड़ी में चुनाव का नतीजा 11 को आएगा, और हम सब चाहते हैं कि देश के हित में हो, प्रदेश के हित में हो, सबके लिए अच्छा हो, अच्छे लोग सामने आए, हमारे लोग सामने आए, ये आई होप विश एंड प्रे। लेकिन शाहरुख खान पे या ये जो जादू है सुबीराम रेड्डी का या शाहरुख खान का, कि सब कुछ छोड़कर, सारी दीवारों को तोड़कर मैं आज इस वक्त यहाँ आया हूँ सिर्फ इसी चाहत पे, सिर्फ शाहरुख खान के लिए और सुबीराम रेड्डी के आदेश को अध्यादेश मानते हुए मैं आया हूँ। इसलिए लेकिन एक शेर जैसा कि कहना चाहिए इस वक्त, वो शाहरुख खान पे भी लागू होता है। बीच बीच में लोग इनको छेड़ना शुरू करते हैं, और वो अच्छी बात नहीं है। कुछ हमारे लोग भी छेड़ते हैं, वो गलत बात है। किसी कलाकार से, जैसा आपने यूँ कहा, गवर्नर साहब ने कहा कि विद्यासागर राव जी ने भी आपके सामने इतने अच्छे से पेश किया कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री और फिल्में हमें कंट्रीब्यूट करती हैं, हैप्पीनेस देती हैं, एंटरटेन करती हैं, लोगों को आगे बढ़ाती हैं। फिल्मों पे दोष देना, इल्ज़ाम देना बहुत आसान है कि साहब फिल्में ख़राब कर रही हैं, वायलेंस बढ़ा रही हैं और दंगे फसाद करवाती हैं और औरतों की इज्जत नहीं। कि हमारा कोई भी हीरो हो किसी फिल्म में वो डावरी नहीं लेता है, हमारा कोई भी हीरो हो फिल्म में रिश्वत नहीं लेता है, हमारा कोई भी हीरो हो फिल्म में औरतों का अपमान नहीं करता, छेड़छाड़ कर देता है थोड़ा बहुत, लेकिन अपमान नहीं करता। ये कर सो हमारे हीरोज़, हमारे फिल्म वाले इतना अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। मैं तो लड़ता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए, आप जानते हैं, और इसीलिए आज मैंने बहुत ज़ोरदार ताली बजाई जब गवर्नर साहब ने खुद ये बातें कही और मेरे दिल को छू गई कि देखो कितना समझदारी से, कितनी बेहतरी से, कितने अच्छे से पेश किया विद्यासागर राव जी। इसलिए मैंने कहा हमारे दोस्त, यानी हमारे दोस्त, मेरे तो व्यक्तिगत बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं ही, आज से नहीं सालों से। जब दिल्ली में थे हम लोग साथ में हमेशा प्रत्येक दिन करीब करीब हम लोग साथ गुजारते थे, और आज गवर्नर है, कितना सौभाग्य है, कितनी खुशी की बात है। और सबसे खुशी की बात कि ऐसे मौके पे, शाहरुख खान के फेलिसिटेशन के मौके पे इतनी अच्छी बातें कही इन्होंने। वरना अक्सर सुनता हूँ फिल्म वालों को सीखना चाहिए, फिल्म वालों को अच्छी फिल्में बनानी चाहिए, कोई इंसेंटिव देता नहीं है, इनिशिएटिव लेता नहीं है, और हमसे कहता है कि हम अच्छी फिल्में बनाएं। खुद बुरे बुरे काम बहुत सारे लोग करते रहते हैं पॉलिटिक्स में, लेकिन फिल्म वालों से चाहते हैं कि वो अच्छी अच्छी बातें करें। आज गवर्नर साहब ने कहा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, और मैं उनके लिए चाहूँगा ज़ोरदार ताली बजाइए। मैं था वहाँ पे, मैं जल्दी अपनी बात समाप्त करता हूँ। शाहरुख खान जब कई बार देखता हूँ फिल्में शुरू होती हैं, उनकी कोई फिल्म रिलीज़ होती है, कुछ लोग वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट कहें ऐसे या कुछ और रीज़न से तरह तरह की बातें करें। मैंने खुद कई बार फ़ोन किया शाहरुख को, बोलो कुछ करना है, ये गलत बात है जिन्होंने कहा। मैंने कभी कभी इनके तरफ से मैंने जवाब दिया, और आपको मालूम है जब फिल्मों पे कोई बात आती है, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री पे और ख़ासकर हमारे चहेतों पे, दोस्तों पे, तो सबसे पहले कोई खड़ा होता है तो उसका नाम है शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा। आपका शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा खड़ा होता है और हमेशा खड़ा होगा आपके लिए। मैं शाहरुख के सामने नहीं कह रहा हूँ, शाहरुख के खुद कई बार कहा, मैंने वहाँ भी हड़काया उन लोगों को। ये गलत बात है, एक कलाकार के साथ कैसी छेड़छाड़ कर रहे हैं। ये फिल्म आ रही, जलन है क्या, कैसी तकलीफ है आपको। इसलिए इस समारोह में एक तरफ जहां मैं अभिनंदन करता हूं, बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामना, और शाहरुख खान को बहुत बहुत शुभाशीष देता हूं, वहीं शाहरुख खान के एनर्जी किंग, पैशन किंग को आज के दिन कहता हूं कि ये शेर याद रखो, जो आप पे भी लागू होता है जैसे भी, और मुझ पे भी लागू होता है, ख़ासकर चुनाव की घड़ी में, कि चिराग देखकर मेरे मचल रही है हवा, चिराग देखकर मेरे मचल रही है हवा, कई दिनों से बहुत तेज चल रही है हवा। बना रहे थे जो किस्से हैं मेरी तबाही के, उन्हें खबर ही नहीं कि रुख बदल रही है हवा। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, लॉन्ग लिव शाहरुख खान एंड लॉन्ग लिव फिल्म इंडस्ट्री। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I am really grateful to my friend who, on my request, you came all the way from Delhi, actually. Now, next item, Rekha will speak. After that, we'll have a standing ovation and give the award. Then he will speak. I request Rekha to speak. I'm uttered though. Who? You want to speak? She doesn't want to speak. She doesn't want to speak. Why you are bothered? You speak. She doesn't. Okay, leave it to me.
बोलो खामोश।
You want to speak or not? You want to speak afterwards? Please speak. I'm telling you, I'm presiding over the function. You must listen to me, that's all.
नॉट फेयर रेखा जी, आप खुद बोल रहे हो सीनियरिटी से बात करेंगे। खैर, डिग्निटरीज ऑन द डैस, आई वोंट टेक मच ऑफ योर टाइम। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, thank you very much for everything, and all I can say is Yash ji, Mr. Yash Chopra is definitely here in spirit and smiling from above and blessing his very own favorite, one of his favorite actors, Shah Rukh Khan, not only a great actor, a great phenomenon, and all I can say personally, Shah Rukh, you're an actor par excellence. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rekha ji. अब आपकी बारी है।
नमस्कार। बिल्कुल तशरीफ रखिए आप। अव्वल तो मैं बोलती नहीं हूँ, आप सब जानते हैं, इसलिए मैं हमेशा की तरह गुलजार साहब का सहारा ले रही हूँ और उनका एक नज़्म है, उसमें से मैं एक शेर मैं पढ़ना चाह रही हूँ। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये शेर। रूह देखी है कभी, रूह को महसूस किया है, जिस्म 100 बार जले तब भी वही मट्टी का ढेला, रूह एक बार जलता है तो वो कुंदन बनता है। रूह देखी है कभी, रूह को महसूस किया है। प्यारे दोस्तों, मैंने रूह को कभी देखा तो नहीं, लेकिन एक बहुत पाक और ख़ास रूह को महसूस ज़रूर किया है। वो शख्स पता नहीं कितने बार उसकी रूह को उसने मारा, बचपन से लेके आज तक, तभी तो वो कुंदन की तरह चमकता रहा और आज भी चमक रहा है। मेरी परवरदिगार से यही दुआ है कि जितना हम लोगों को उसने खुश किया, ये बहुत एक ज़हीन इंसान है, बेइंतहा हुनर कूट के उसके नस नस में भरा हुआ है, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा तो प्यार जो आप सब लोग देख चुके हैं, महसूस कर चुके हैं। बस मेरी दुआ यही है कि अपनी अंदर की जो वो कुंदन है उसको और तराशे, उसको और चमकते रहे वो, और चमकाते रहे, और पूरी कायनात में उसका जो वो चमक है वो हम सबको दिखाई दे। बस मेरी ये दुआ है। And for those of you people who have not understood a word what I've said, I just want to share a little memory of mine that I have with Shah Rukh Sahab. We were traveling to some show and we were on the airplane, and I was shooting those days for a change. Yes, I do that sometimes. I was so tired working day and night, and I had almost gone off to sleep when I was woken by रेखा जी प्लीज़ उठिए ना, प्लीज़ एक मिनट प्लीज़ उठिए ना जल्दी से, और खिड़की नीचे कीजिए और ज़रा प्लीज़ नज़ारा देखिए ना बाहर, कितना खूबसूरत एक सनसेट है, प्लीज़ देखिए ना, उसके बाद सो जाइएगा, प्लीज़ देखिए ना. मैंने खैर सनसेट को तो देखा नहीं, लेकिन पलट के स्लो मोशन में इनकी तरफ देखा. वो थे शाहरुख खान. तो उस वक्त मैंने उनकी आंखों में आंखें डाल के देखा कि भैया ये हमारी बिरादरी का इंसान है. तो दिस इज़ शाहरुख खान फॉर मी, दिस इज़ शाहरुख खान फॉर यू. दुआओं के साथ, बेहद ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ आप सब से विनती है. सबसे पहले मैं प्रणाम करूंगी और नमस्कार करूंगी ऑनरेबल विद्यासागर जी को, और यहाँ उपस्थित सारे मेरे दोस्त और बहन और प्यारी प्यारी छोटी बहन पैमी जी और सुबीरा में जड्डी जी. फैमी, प्लीज़ टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू से सॉरी एंड थैंक यू अगेन, बिकॉज पिछले साल जैसे कि आपको पता है कि मुझे नवाजा गया है इस अवार्ड से, और मैं इतनी भावुक हो गई, इतनी मैं इमोशनल हो गई, और इतनी मैं यश जी को याद करते करते मैं एकदम सेंटिमेंटल हो गई कि इनका शुक्र अदा करना मैं भूल गई. तो थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने मुझे चुना है. और विदाउट फर्दर अडू, आप ज़ोरदार दोस्तों, ज़ोरदार तालियों के साथ शाहरुख जी को उनका इस्तकबाल कीजिए और उनसे कहिए कि कुछ दो शब्द कहें. शुक्रिया. शाहरुख, प्लीज़. शाहरुख, दैट इज़ यू, राइट?
Thank you. Okay, we can toss.
वो एक्टिंग में भूल गया है. प्रोटोकॉल फर्स्ट यू मस्ट गिव अवार्ड, ऑनर हिम, देन यू विल स्पीक. दैट इज द प्रोसीजर. बैठो. I mean, now I am the director, you must listen what director says. Now, before giving the award to our great star, a star of India, India feels proud of his personality, in the star. I want to give a standing ovation. Please stand and give a standing ovation for him. Give a claps. Now I request, please sit down. Now sit down, please. Yes. Now I request His Excellency. Okay. Now I request you, and I request Rekha to give this Swarna Kankan. Come. दिया ना, उनको बुलाओ ना सामने. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, you're all waiting the speech of Shah Rukh Khan, not about other speeches, about our speech. Come on now, Shah Rukh.
Thank you very much, everyone. This is. Thank you. His Excellency Vidyasagar Raoji, Shukriya, for gracing this occasion and taking time out and felicitating me with this extremely honorable award. I also, obviously, first of all, thank everyone here on the dais, Padmini ji, Doot Saab, Shashi Saab, Shatru Saab, Subbarami Reddy Saab. He's been also, as you noticed, figuring out how the function should proceed. So, thank you for the extra benefit, apart from having called us here. No extra time for that, but thank you for the job you did. And thank you, Simi ji, Pam auntie. Thank you for waiting so long and taking this time out and thinking of me as the next recipient of the Yash Chopra Award, Memorial Award. Thank you, Jaya Prada ji. I have to say it, as inappropriate as it may sound. All my young life, I had the hots for you, but I just never got the opportunity to say it. You're telling all good stories, me coming to your house. I just found you extremely good looking and, okay, I'm getting carried away. Governor Saab is here, so I should not. Thank you, Anu. And last but not the least, I would like to presume I'm a favorite because all the awards, important awards I've got in my life have been given to me by this lady. Thank you, Rekha ji, for loving me so much. And so before I say anything else, and thank you, all my colleagues, directors and producers and friends who are here and been kind enough to wait so long to listen to this. But before I move on to what this award means to me or what Mr. Yash Chopra meant to me or what I became because of Mr. Yash Chopra, I'd just like to say I have, I come and I work. I've been here working 25 years and there is nothing else I know but to just wear makeup in the morning, go and do my job, sometimes get it right, more often than not get it wrong. There's been extreme love from the film industry. And when I came to Mumbai, I'd lost my mother and my father, and my sister wasn't well. I had no family, and before I knew it, from the first day onwards, some of them are present here on the dais, and that's why I'm bringing this up, and others who are not here, but the Mumbai film industry, the Indian film industry, everyone adopted me so much that today I have a family of more than 1 billion. So thank you so much, the Indian film industry and everyone here on the dais. I have today, when Shatru Saab speaks, I do tend to gain in confidence that if there is any panga I have in the future, or I've had in the future before this, and I do get into pangas, I know who to call, who you're going to call, Khamosh. So thank you so much. It gives you confidence, it gives you strength. Padmini ji, I've known for years, I think, one of the most beautiful young actresses of our times, at a very early age, the kind of performances always led the path for actors, yearning actors like me to look up to and say how wonderfully she's acted in the films that she did. And whenever I've met her, she met me with immense amount of kindness and love. So thank you, Padmini ji, for saying what you said, thinking of me as a fine actor too. So thank you very much. That gives me confidence. Simi and, I should call her Simi ji. But Simi and me share a very, very old relationship. I was a nobody. To be featured on the Simi Grewal night show was genuinely when you arrived and became a big star. And I remember she called me upon that, and strangely that's one of the few interviews, those were the good old days when you can smoke on television. And she called me, and my wife had delivered her first baby, and it made me an overnight star because I was on the Simi Grewal show, and she gave me that kind of import and believed that I would go on to do well for myself and the film industry. So thank you, Simi, for recognizing and giving me that confidence at that time. Jaya Prada ji, of course, I told you had the hots for us. That's I rest my case. I'm going to say different things for you, baby. Don't worry. I'm sorry. I don't want to be completely against the protocol and get arrested tonight right here. even though I have Khamosh behind me. Yeah, I mean, you don't know, he might not be able to help me. He might have to go for some campaign for some election. He says, Shahrukh, main ja raha hu. Baad mein, so I don't want to take that chance, so I'll still be here. This is a very special night for me, and I'll start with the fact that this is what I least expected, to get Rakhi tied by Rekha. This has to be the saddest moment of my life. And I wanted to tell her when she was recounting that I woke her up in the plane and said, wake up, sunset देखिए. कौन नामाकूल sunset दिखा रहा था जाने मन आपको? हम आपसे बात करना चाह रहे थे, आपकी शक्ल देखना चाह रहे थे. But he was of my nature showing me the sunset. No, I wasn't showing you the sunset, Rekha ji. Not at all. And today God has punished me, because as much as I didn't want you to see the sunset and just sit down and chat with me, look you into the eyes and tell you how much I love you, you have tied Rakhi to me. अभी इनसे पहले सुब्बा रामा रेड्डी साहब जो मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं और बहुत सालों से हमको जानते हैं, यश जी मैं साथ में बैठ के, I have strange bedfellows, यश जी and सुब्बा रामा रेड्डी जी, much beyond my age, and we used to sit down and chat for hours. And he's like Shatru Saab said, one of the kindest people you'll ever meet. Ever you're in trouble, God forbid, he's the person that you call, and he's always there, in all his glory, in all his outgoingness, in all his love and sharing nature, including the Shivji prayer that he taught us today. Thank you so much. That was really, really cool. I mean, yeah, it was. It sounded like we could make it into a cool rap one day, but it was really nice for praying for us. But and then Pam Auntie specifically, who's like a surrogate mother to me. I've grown up with her in this family, and I know it's too presumptuous. Treated me like a child, when I was a nobody, and made me, and all these people here, and all of you people here, so many of you, thank you for waiting, all of you. I know I'm talking about most of you present, and I know all of you, and to give me the confidence that I can go on, that I can stand here 25 years later, perhaps receiving the biggest honor of my life. And before I leave and thank you more and be even more grateful for this honor, I just want to tell you a few episodes of my life with YesG. When I started with YesG, I started with a film called Dar, in which I was really a bad guy, and I was killing people and misbehaving completely, even without being on drugs. And that was really, really intense. And I remember YesG met me and he said, तू जब तक lover boy play नहीं करेगा ना, तेरा कुछ नहीं होने का है. But I didn't want to be a lover boy. I didn't want to be a person in love. I'm not very good with romance, except when I'm showing sunset to Rekha. That time I'm really cool. But I really am not, and I didn't know if I could. I didn't think I'm good looking enough. I didn't think I'm a pretty boy enough to play romance in films and do the stuff. But he kept on telling me always, जब तक तू love story नहीं करेगा, तेरा career नहीं बनेगा. And when Yash Chopra tells you that, then you say, okay, there must be some sense to it. So if I don't look like a romantic hero, even if I don't act like one, I have to just go by his belief, and I did. And it genuinely did pay dividends. It really has created my career. Yash Chopra has single-handedly created my career for me to become, it's a very strange circle that I should be receiving an award which honors him by the memory of Yash Chopra, and I am who I am because of what Yash Chopra made me do and made me into. So I thank him for that. My second instance that I'd like to tell you about him is that he told me, we had some problems once making a film, and he turned around, and I must have behaved well, and he said, outdoor जब actors जाते हैं ना, तो उनका जब वहाँ पर behavior देखा जाता है, तब मालूम पड़ता है कितने अच्छे होते हैं. ये मुंबई में मालूम नहीं पड़ता है यार. I'm not speaking like him because people think I'm making fun of him. I would do it out of love and say like how Yash ji told me. पता नहीं चलता यार कि कितना outdoor में मालूम पड़ता है, और outdoor में तू बड़ा शरीफ है यार हर तरह से. So I said thank you, and then I said Yash ji, but really why do you say that? And I thought he'll give me some spiel. He said तो बॉम्बे में तो बहुत ज़्यादा लेट आता है, outdoor पे तो time पे तो आ जाता है at least. And the third was when I was in Kashmir. Like I said, I had never. My father was, his mother was Kashmiri, and he always said that if there is one place in the world that you don't go and see without me, it should be Kashmir. And so I didn't go ever. I remember the Chief Minister Saab, the ex-Chief Minister Saab met me, and he also invited me. I said, मैं नहीं आऊँगा, मेरे पिता ने कहा था, मेरे बाप ने कहा था कि वहाँ पे सिर्फ मेरे साथ जाना वरना मत जाना. And I didn't go till she decided to make Jab Tak Hai Jaan there. And I went, so like I said in the documentary, for me it was going back and going and visiting Kashmir, the most beautiful place in the world that my father said, and I went with my father and my family. So I thank him for that. And I do remember I was giving my last shot, मैं आखिरी shot दे रहा था जीप के ऊपर, and Yash did come to me and say, तू जा यार, तू ऐश कर, तेरा last shot हो गया, हमारा भी अभी last shot ही होगा. And like he said in the interview we did 3 weeks before he passed away, that he didn't want to make any more films. But I think somewhere deep down inside, there was one more film I could have done with Mr. Yash Chopra. Actually, there was one more film each one of us could have watched of Mr. Yash Chopra. Actually, there was not just one more film. We could keep on watching one more and one more and one more and one more and do one more and do one more and act in one more and just be a part of one more film of Mr. Yash Chopra. But only the good die young. Allah does take away from you things that are the dearest and the most special. And so did he take away perhaps one of the most creative human beings, one of the simplest, one of the basic, do-gooder, kind-hearted soul I've met in my life. In the last couple of years, I was working with some directors, and you have your conversation with the young people, and I was talking to them, and while talking to them, half an hour I discussed the film we are doing, and 1.5 hours, even till day before yesterday, I think I was with Mr. Anand Rai, the next 1.5 hours, all I discuss is how Mr. Yash Chopra made you feel on the sets, how Mr. Yash Chopra directed you on the set, how Mr. Yash Chopra, more than direction, and made you feel loved you on the set, how Mr. Yash Chopra served you paranthas on the set. So I'm going to miss him. This is an extremely emotional moment, and even though I feel it from the inside, I don't want to externalize it, because this has been a long evening. For me, one of the most important evenings of my life, to be honest, because like I said to begin with, this set of people who are here talking such wonderful, nice things about me, showing me a documentary where I seem to have achieved a lot. None of this is possible if it wasn't for all the beauty and the love and the kindness and gentleness and even now the enthusiasm everybody gives me whenever I meet them. I'm not well-mannered. I've just been well brought up by the Indian film industry. So thank you, all of you belonging to the Indian film industry, for bringing me up so well. And yes, I do agree with Shatru Saab when he said that His Excellency did mention about that I stand for the culture and I stand for what an Indian should be, and that's a very nice thing to say, sir. So thank you very much for being so kind to me and saying that for each actor and each actress and all of us working hard to make things go better and become as beautiful as the memory of Mr. Yash Chopra is. So thank you everyone present here for honoring me with this. Thanks a lot. God bless you all. Thank you.
So thank you to all of you. Please have dinner. Please join us.
Ready, sir? Should tell me also when to stop.
लेकिन दिख नहीं रहा, सब पब्लिक खड़ी थी ना, वो आया। ये भाई ऑडियो सब निकाला क्या? अमित भाई हाँ चाललं मग जायचं मला मॉर्निंगला आलोय कुठे जातो हे चाललंच कुठे घरी कुठे रवी भाई Hey, yogesh bhai.